Here, just wanted to basically lay out a plan. The plan right here for this business, for this new system, whatever you want to call it, that I'm this, how this, what I am personally doing. So, for starters, it has affinity, traffic boost, and it's also work with any marketing business, any networking networking marketing, any network marketing, and basically anything you're doing online. Even if you're doing CPA type businesses, they'll get more traffic to it. More traffic equals more money. It's just a numbers game at the absolute core of this thing, what we do. So basically, we have leadsleap. Basically, the whole idea is we have a mini sales funnel here to the email list. You go down here, you get an example of one of the capture pages. You get an example of this Excel page, which you can edit because I have edited this page to suit my system. And you get follow-up emails, whole deal. Basically, Infinity Traffic and leadsleap system you can promote just like it is on both of these platforms. So Infinity Traffic Boost and leadsleap, basically you're using these two programs to get traffic to each other to basically build up a daily amount of Bitcoin that you're earning. And the whole idea is what I do is based on this in another video. The traffic boost, all the money I make there goes towards buying those higher TPOs. If I remember, I'll include a link to the video up above or in the description. So all that money's taken care of until I buy the highest TPO. Then after that, I'm withdrawing all that money for my own personal use. In leadsleap, all I need to cover my active leadsleap account is $27 a month. Super easy. I use commissions. I always have $27 in my leadsleap account. I withdraw everything on top of $27, and that 27 just goes to pay my monthly leadsleap Pro account, which gets me as well. The remainder of the money from leadsleap, I actually withdraw, and when you scroll down here, say get 30 to 50 leads per day, this right here goes to the Frank Calabro cash funnel. Basically, that whole funnel is just basically him teaching you how he scaled his business. And I followed that same training to scale my own business. And you can very easily get 30 to 50 leads per day following it. And so how I cover that, from leads, I withdraw, I come down here, I follow training here, which is basically a in-depth traffic training. And all of that traffic goes to this capture page or another one that using the same system, promoting this system, just all starts to feed itself. Infinity Traffic Boost money goes towards the DPOs and then the pocket. Leadsleap covers the 27. The rest I withdraw, and I basically pump through this system here following the Frank Calabro training, which gets me more traffic to the system. Down here, I may switch these two programs out. I may leave them in this order where it says get more daily passive Bitcoin. That'll take you to a free bootcamp, which it takes like about 40 minutes to go through each video. And it'll teach you a very simple method to trade Bitcoin. And there are quite a few people doing just that full time. Just following the training you get in the free bootcamp. Buy the dip training. Justin Clark is the guy who created that system. That's where that link goes. The money that I make Power Lead system, had bit of that sometimes goes into my trading account. But for the most part, I take 50% of the money I make here, run it back into traffic to promote the system, and the other 50% I withdraw and put in my pocket. Lastly, go full-time fast with this Bitcoin. I may change this, and I may change these two things here. This goes to my TAS V7 business. Why am I promoting TAS V7? A number of reasons. I've spoken many times to the creator of the system. He's not going anywhere. He's not changing the program. He's not adding new systems and swapping out how we get paid and switching the program and switching the products. And basically, I've gone through this with most of these businesses online. I promote something. I like this instant cash paying business. Then the guy changes the merchant account, or then the guy changes the product, or then the guy adds new levels, or then the guy changed the whole company or sells the company. All of this crap. TAS, I talked to the guy for maybe like, I don't know, maybe it's probably going on a year now, and he has not changed his deal. Very straightforward, not going anywhere, solid business. And it pays juicy Bitcoin commissions instantly. Now, why do I have that there? Because trading Bitcoin with this step here, with the basically the free bootcamp to teach you how to trade, it's a great system, but you need a decent chunk of money to trade them. basically. If you're trading on $100, 500, even 1,000, it's going to be a very long time before you can actually earn a decent amount of money trading. You need something that can give you big juicy commissions that you can just follow the money plan. Down here with TAS V7, you earn a 500, you make a $500 sale, you earn 250 instant. Bitcoin, you can very easily take 100, 125, put that in your trading account, put the rest in your pocket, or buy traffic. I like to divide this money up into thirds. You make a $1,000 sale, you earn $500 instantly. Divide that up into thirds. Put some of that in your trading account, put some of that in your traffic, put the rest in your pocket, and you just got a complete system. So that's basically the overview of what I have here. This exact video, I'll make a bridge video and put it on the page and throw that on the show for you to use to explain this whole system as well. And it's progression. Number one, you can get active in absolutely everything. You don't have to join, or you don't have to join and upgrade. You get active in absolutely everything for $101. That means you have a spot in TAS. That means you have your Power Lead System account going and everyone for free. Different levels, different things like that, but I'll cover that in a future video. That being said, this video is going on a share code page for you to use as well, especially if you join me. Links in the description of this video. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next one.